How to enable Family Center on Discord. Basically, this is a cool update on Discord. So, on today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the easy and quick method to enable Family Center on Discord. So, make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video, you will get an idea to easily enable Family Center on Discord. So the first thing you have to do is open Discord on your device, whether that's on mobile device or PC. If you're on PC, you can open any browser and type in discord.com. This will open the web version of Discord. Once it opens and log into your account, click on the user settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once your user settings page opens, at the left panel you can see multiple options. Just click on Family Center. And once you click on the Family Center, you just have to click on Get Started. And then once you get started, you have to ask your team for their QR code and you need to scan the QR code with your Discord app as a parent. And then once you scan the QR code of your child's Discord account, and then you as a child or your child will get a request to accept it, and once it is accepted, then it will be enabled on Discord or Family Center will be easily enabled on Discord. So what does this do is basically it allows parents to watch over your private things, I guess. In summary, they can see recently added friends, their names and avatars, servers you joined, how many people there are, names and icons, and also they can see the name of people you directly message, their avatars and times at which you made calls with them or messaged them. So that is how we easily enable Family Center on Discord. So you as a parent can easily connect or scan the QR code of your Discord accounts of your child and easily enable Family Centers on Discord. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.